Alright. Got a quick unboxing for you today, hope. I'm not even sure this is actually latched. So both packages are coming in Razor Company boxes, but only one of them is directly from the Razor Company. I'm assuming this is the one that is not directly from the Razor Company. Again, I'm opening the box from the bottom, apparently. Ah, there's just extra amount of tape in here. Come on, tCB, there we go. That'll get it. Yeah, that's the bottom of the box. Yep. Alright, what was in the bottom here? Oh, would you look at that. So on loan to me, everything else in here, from fellow Michigan wet shaver Matt Fox, is the Christopher Bradley in brass. And that's gonna be a B plate over here. Let's take a look and see what we got. Black plastic washer. I'll make sure that this comes back with one if it didn't. Brass, that's what we like. Yep, washer, as you can see, is intact there. It's got a good grip to it. It's nice. You got some lovely patina going on, of course. Make sure we don't lose this washer. Let's see what plate's on here. Where is the plate marked? Let's see. That's a D. Okay. Back before I got my 6S, which I'm actually about to go drop off at the post office for Matt to try because he's not tried one. I was looking at the carbs and I did the math, but I definitely wouldn't have gone. I would think the D would be where I would have started. This is a C open comb. Did that say G? D. Okay, it was D. Duh. C open comb, and then a B plate. It's probably never been used. If I know anything about Matt, which we're still getting to know each other, but yeah, looks like it's never been used. That'd be the equivalent of using probably like a 1 or a 2 probably on the 6S. So doubt I'll use it either. But I'm looking forward to putting this to use very, very soon. Hopefully tomorrow even. Made in Canada. Double-edged safety razor, though Christopher Bradley. It's a handsome little package there. Let me trade this out for the other one. So this one comes directly from the Razor Company. And if you've been following along, you probably already know what this is. There we go. Oh, hello. What is this? Thanks, guys. So the Razor Company has sent me a car air freshener, which is funny because I actually have a truck, so I'll probably slap this in there later. That was really nice of them. Got myself a packing slip here. All right, just close this knife up so we're not leaving it laying out here. And unpack the contents there. I'm excited about that. That's funny. I've been thinking about getting one of the vent scents from PAA. I was gonna get Black Bot, but that's been discontinued now. So I have to figure out which one I want to get. All right. If at all, I'll probably wait until the springtime and get some good vibrations. So, first of all, Nassets. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. Every time I use a Nasset blade, I destroy my face. And I don't mean I get weepers or irritation. I literally get gouge the hell out of my face. But I want to prove that I can use it. So I picked up Nassets, and when I work up enough nut, I'll put those to use on my face again. Not looking forward to that, but can't run away from these things. And so what I have here is the Shannon Soaps 100 milliliters Soothing Post Shave Splash. So this is their aftershave. It's alcohol free, witch hazel, water, fragrance, and glycerin. So it's fairly simple. Most of my splashes nowadays have some level of alcohol in them. When I first started shaving, I used to get witch hazel bases. Like my first aftershave I got in my Maggard's kit was the Limes and Bergamot witch hazel. So I haven't used a witch hazel based aftershave in quite a while, but I'm gonna put this to use. And now that I have that, I can match it with the other item, the Razor Company exclusive Shannon Soaps Mars. So this is the Chupacabra base, and it is modeled after Chanel's Allure Home, which if I used the soap last week with my 6S, and I'm planning to recreate that shave with the Karve. So basically have the same shave with a different razor. So I'm gonna use this. Now I have the matching splash. I put it on my Instagram. I'll put that, which I'm using more often now, and put that link in the video description so you guys can see it if you want to check that out. And I'm planning to use this tomorrow. I was gonna shave earlier today, but decided to wait because I knew this was coming and the Karve was coming. So I'm gonna use the same blade, relatively the same plate as it would correspond to the 6S, and this. So let's see if we can get as good a shave. I believe that was a Dorco Titan, but I will verify that on my Instagram before I post it. So this is a fun little mail call. I get to use a razor that I have not used before in the Christopher Bradley, and I have this now in my collection, and I have some assets so I can destroy my face for the entertainment. I'm like a gladiator, I guess, on the blood, but yeah. All right, cool, quick one for you guys, and we'll put this to use really, really soon. I'm gonna grab the Karve. The Karve is boxed up.